Hello guys, in the Asaan Optics Desktop Pro version we have added some amazing features that were really needed. Previously you could only place a single order for one person, but now after entering the details here, you select your frame, okay, then you select your lens, okay, and from here you add this pair to the order. Okay, now it has been added from here, and you can select another order from here. Okay, I will add another one from here. I have added the second pair, so if a customer places an order for multiple orders or multiple frames, you can easily add them from here. Okay, and you also have the delivery and courier options here, where we can enter their address, and if you are outsourcing this, you can enter the lab name here and the price you are outsourcing it for. Here you have the actual price, and here, for example, if you want to offer a discount of 8,000 rupees, you must enter the discounted price. Okay, enter 1,000 as the advance. You have entered 1,000 as the advance. The balance will remain 8,000. This we have. It will be saved. Okay, look, we have two pairs here. We can print this and give it to the customer. Another thing is that the advance amount will go into our sales. It will go into our sales here, so the cash that comes in daily will be counted as cash in. After that, you can see the balance is being shown here. If you mark it as delivered from here and you mark it status as delivered, then it will automatically go into sales. The balance will be cleared here and you will get its final receipt. As for the stock control center, I explained in the other video that you can also do a bulk import from here and easily add all of your stock. So these were some amazing features that have been updated in the Desk Pro version. God willing, many updates will also come to the mobile app, and use it and recommend it to others as well, because this app is specifically related to optical shops.